If you have a dog or a cat who's had an injury, there's a great new rehabilitation facility that you can take them to now here on Littlepage Street in Fredericksburg. I'm with Sam Blake today at Veterinary Rehabilitation Services of Virginia. The Fredericksburg branch is also one in Gordonsville. We're at 710 Littlepage Street, and this facility opened late last year. And beautiful facility, and Sam, thanks for joining us today.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah. So tell us about what goes on here at VRSVA.
So we provide physical rehabilitation for companion animals, mostly dogs and cats here. Like he mentioned, my Gordonsville counterpart does primarily equine. And we do that through the use of various modalities. We have the underwater treadmill, therapeutic ultrasound, TENS, laser, PIMP, blanket, and then we also do manual therapy as well as therapeutic exercise.
So are most of your clients, have they had some sort of injury, or like, how do they end up here?
So it's a great combination. We have those who have undergone surgery, those who are trying to conservatively manage those injuries. We have senior dogs that come in just to keep them going on longer. And then we also see some dogs that are working, that are trying to stay conditioned for sport and or their job.
Typically, how long is an appointment for when a dog comes in here? 45
minutes to an hour for a routine session.
Okay. And people may wonder, you're next to the Littlepage Animal Hospital, but there's no affiliation between the two businesses?
No,
is that right?
We're just great friends.
Yeah, absolutely. Right close to the Sunken Well Tavern as well.
So. Sunken Well Tavern has a great smell that comes out of there every day.
Yeah. And how can people find out more about VRSVA?
So they can go to rehab.vet, very simple website. Check us out.
I guess just talk a little bit more about the individual modalities that you have in here. So you got the treadmill, you talked a little bit about that, the underwater treadmill. What are some of the other things you have here?
So we have our ground treadmill for those who have advanced from the water treadmill, and we have laser therapy. We also have a pulse electromagnetic field therapy blanket, as well as a therapeutic ultrasound, which is great for soft tissue injuries. And then, of course, like we had mentioned, the therapeutic exercise that allows us to build them up a little bit stronger.
So tell us about who you're working with today while we're here, and what brought her here.
Okay, so Daisy Mays, 5 years old. She unfortunately suffered a knee injury, and so she underwent complex surgery that left her with an intermittent lameness. So over the last year, she just hadn't 100% recovered. So she presented here a couple weeks ago to get her engaging that limb a little bit more.
Thank you, Sam, for joining us today, and encourage people to come check out your website.
Sounds great. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. All right. So thank you for watching. That'll do it for this week's edition. See you next week.